Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. Today I will show you how to build a website with GoHighLevel in a very fast way. Now before we get started, click the first link in the description if you want to get a 7-day free trial on GoHighLevel. Now, first of all, what we need to do is we obviously need to go to our sub account where we want to go and build a website. So let's go to our sub account here. And as you can see from here, you'll go to sites because we want to go and build a website, right? And you have a couple different options. So you have WordPress. You can go to WordPress dashboard and you can go and buy WordPress, which will basically be you buying WordPress hosting and then building a website on WordPress. You can go and build a funnel, which is not really like a website. It's kind of similar like a website. It's kind of like a sales landing page. And then you have websites, right? So obviously if you want to go and what we're going to show you is websites. So click on website, new website. Here you can enter the name of your website. Let's say the name of your website is, e-commerce store. Let's just name it like that. You can go to the template library, obviously. Now GoHighLevel has a lot of template libraries right here. You can create a really simple website, for example, kind of like Linktree website, but you have a lot of different categories. You have marketing agency, right? For example, this one, we can select this one. We can use this one right here. As you can see, this looks really awesome. So this website, it's really awesome. We can go and we can change up the things. So I would recommend if anyone wants to build a website, it's better to use a template and then change it up. So we can click continue. We can see, check this, get this template, and we'll basically get the template. Now what we can do is we can basically go here and we can see that we have an agency template. We can edit that template here. And as you can see, we have a couple of different pages. We have home, services, case studies, pricing, contact us, right? We can also add a new page if we want. We have statistics here as well as sales, and we also have settings. So we can actually go here and add a favicon URL. We can add a Facebook pixel if we want, which is great. And then we can go to pages and let's edit one page. Just let me show you how you can edit. So just get edit. Now once you click edit right here, this will need a little bit more time to load up. Obviously, it depends on the template that you choose. And as you can see, this is basically our template right here. So let's say we want to change colors. We can go here. As you can see, each of these elements has its own box. So we can go here and we can, for example, go and on the cogwheel here, on the left side, as you can see right here, we'll have the background color. So we can change the background color if we want, but we don't want it. We can also change the positioning of the text. As you can see, shadow, if you want the shadow or not, mobile font size, desktop font size. Make sure if you're editing mobile font size that you're here on mobile, so you can switch to mobile. Then you have desktop font size. You obviously have the font family. For example, Montserrat, it's a little bit different font, right? Color option can be, whatever. This is just for the basic colors. I think it's not really for the font. But as you can see here, you have text, italic text color, bold text color, underline text color, link text color. So you can change these as well however you want. Obviously, this depends, if you change, you'll see which one it changes right here. For example, this one, bold text color is the color that we are changing here. So you can do a lot of different things, right? So let's say we want to scroll, we want to change this entire section. We can go here to the settings. And now, as you can see, we can go to the background color. We can choose the background color. Obviously, this won't change because this is I think this is an image actually. So we can go to advanced. Yeah, this is actually, I think, an image. But we can go here and we can have image URL as well. Or we can completely delete it right here, as you can see. We can also go here. We can edit this as well. Change the paddings. Change the padding bottom. Change the padding left, right? This will change everything. So this is pretty much how you can go and build the entire website just from a template, right? So you can add elements as well. Headline, sub-headline, paragraph, button, video, image, whatever you want. and you can pretty much build the entire website through that. Now, if you ever use Elementor, this is exactly the same, pretty much the same thing. So you can go and you can build your website with GoHighLevel really fast. So if you want more GoHighLevel tutorials, and if you want to get a 7-day free trial on GoHighLevel, click the first link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.